Welcome to Car Bike Review, where we explore the latest machines hitting the streets. Today's focus is the 2025 Honda CB650R, a middleweight naked bike that blends Neo-Sports Café styling with modern performance. Design and styling. The 2025 CB650R continues its aggressive Neo-Sports Café look with sharper LED elements, a muscular fuel tank, and a compact tail section. Honda has refined the body lines to look even more premium, giving the bike a powerful stance while keeping it lightweight and minimalistic. Engine and performance. Power comes from a 649 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, celebrated for its smoothness and high-revving nature. The 2025 model retains its signature punchy mid-range torque but adds optimized fuel mapping for better throttle response and improved efficiency. Riders get a perfect balance between city-friendly performance and highway excitement. Features and technology. This model comes equipped with Honda selectable torque control, dual-channel ABS, and an updated digital display with clearer graphics. The refined suspension setup offers better stability and comfort, making the bike versatile for daily commutes and spirited weekend rides. Ride and handling. The CB650R maintains its reputation for nimble, predictable handling thanks to the steel diamond frame and show a separate function forks. The upright riding posture, paired with improved seat cushioning, ensures long-distance comfort without sacrificing sporty feel. Price and final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CB650R positions itself as a premium yet accessible middleweight option. With its iconic inline-four character, modern tech, and sharp styling, it remains one of the most engaging bikes in its category.